Welcome student, welcome to my tutorial. I am Vidubhushan Kaurav, your computer teacher. Let's back to our school. I hope you are doing well at your home. Our book name is Linux Based Cloud. Let's read our first chapter. The chapter name is Number System. Let's start the chapter. As you can see, this is written that learning in this chapter means these are your learning objectives. Decimal number system, binary number system, conversion of decimal into binary number system, then binary to decimal number system, then octal number system, hexadecimal number system, computer arithmetic. So these are the things we will learn in this chapter. These are the learning objectives. Okay, let's read what is written. In early days, when there was no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles and sticks. Right? These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. Right? Many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, then hexadecimal number system. Understood these things or not? Okay. Next, we'll read decimal number system. So, the need for counting has paved the path to introduce decimal number system in which 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 are used to form any numbers. Yes or no? Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with the decimal number. Means all the counting numbers. We start from 0 to 9. Yes or no? With that digit we can able to form the numbers. Means it consists of 10 digits. It consists of 10 digits. That means 0 to 9 with the base 10. Okay. Here base 10. Base 10 means it is decimal number system. Always remember decimal number system has base 10. Okay. Each number can be used individually or can be grouped to form a numeric value. That is, for example, 82 minus 256, 52.87, etc. Okay. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following. Okay. What are the things? The face value of the digits, the base of the new number system, the position of the digit in the number. Okay. So these are the things in decimal number system. Okay. Each position represents a specific power of base 10. Okay. You have already read in class 7 or 6 that what is base 10 in mathematics. Okay. So recall that thing and remember. Okay. For example, the number 547 can be understood in powers of its base. Okay. Here it is briefly given. Okay. Let's read. So 547. How we can represent in decimal number system? See, 7 into 10 to the power 0. This is 0. 10 to the power 0. Okay. Here it is 4 into 10 to the power 1. Here 5 into 10 to the power 2. Okay. 10 to the power 0. Always remember that 10 to the power 0 means 1. Okay. 10 to the power 0 means 1. 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10 to the power 2 means 10 into 10. See, you can able to understand here. 10 into 10. How it is 10 into 10? Okay. Because the base is 2. The power is 2. Base is 10. Here all the base are 10. These are called power. These are called base. Okay. So base 10 power 0. Base 10 power 1. Base 10 power 2. Okay. So 10 to the power 0 means 1. Means 7 into 1 equal to 7. 10 to the power 1 means what? 10. That's why 4 into 10 equal to 40. 10 to the power 2 means 100. Means what? 10 into 2. 10 into 10, that means 100. So 5 into 100 equal to 500. Understood? Okay, if you add these, then we will get this number 547. Okay, next, what is our observation? The positional value of each digit increases 10 folds as we move from right to left. Okay, in the above mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face value. Okay, in the earlier you have from the childhood you have read about face value and place value. Yes or no? So here 5, 4, 7 are face value of the digit. Okay, and their place value are hundreds, tens and units. Units means this, tenth means this, 100 means this. These are their place value respectively. The face value depends on the position of the digits in the number. Okay, now we will discuss about the various type of number system that are used in computers. Okay, let's read one by one. Okay, first is binary number system. We have already discussed what? Decimal number system. Remember these things. Decimal number system base is 10. Like this binary number system, bi means what? 2. Okay, so decimal means 10. So what are the digits used here? 0 to 9 means total 10 digit. So it base is 10. Like this binary number, you guess what are the numbers are there? Right, 0 and 1. So these are two numbers. So its base will be 2. Okay, we'll read. Okay, the binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. See, since this system uses two digits, it has the base 2. Okay, all digital computers use this number system and convert the data into data input from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. So if you entered the data in the decimal form, okay, into the computer, means suppose you are writing 100, okay, in computer, the computer doesn't understand what is 100. So the computer again it will convert the decimal number system into binary equivalent. Then the computer will understand that is 100. Okay, we will read how to convert decimal to binary. Okay, then binary to decimal. Okay, understood? Next, why binary? Why binary? Okay, a computer cannot understand human language. Yes or no? The data that is entered into a computer is converted into binary form because a computer understands only binary code, that is 0 and 1. Okay, all the things, suppose you are you will enter Darshan Academy. Okay, so the Darshan Academy, the computer will not recognize that thing. So these words, okay, it convert into binary form. Okay, then the computer can be able to understand. You don't bother about it. You would not need to convert all these things. The computer automatically convert each and everything into binary form. Okay, it further converts the binary result into their decimal equivalent for output. Again, if the computer want to show you something, okay, the computer, you give the instruction to the computer, according to instruction the computer will show the result. Okay, next, conversion of decimal into binary numbers. As I am telling, okay, here it is written conversion of decimal into binary number system. So let's read how it is converting. The equivalence between binary and decimal number can be understood with the following examples. To convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow the given rules. Divide the given decimal number with the base 2. These are the rules. First is divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Next, repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. Okay. Let us understand the conversion of decimal number into binary number. So here there are two examples are there, example 1 and example 2. Okay. Let's see how it will converting to decimal into binary number system. So if 25 is your decimal number system, how it will converted into binaries? See, here it is written decimal means 25 base 10 means this is your decimal number system. So basically we are representing decimal number system like this, in 25 whole bracket base 10, here it is written 10. Okay. Equal to, these are the numbers. Okay, 11001 base 2 whole bracket base 2. So if we will type in computer 25, the computer will convert it into binary digit, means 11001. This means 25. How it will convert? See, here it is 25. It is like a what? LCM. Suppose 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4, means this is your one remainder. Again 2 6s are 12, remainder what? 0. Then 2 3s are 6, remainder what? 0. Then 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Then 2 0s are 1. Okay. So how it will take? See, from this is your most significant digit and this is your least significant digit, means we will write from here to here, means bottom to top, not top to bottom. See, this one is this one is this, then these two zeros are this, then after this. Okay, don't write from here to here, you have to write from here to. So the arrow mark is from most significant digit, MSD to LSD, means least significant digit. Okay, the base of number is given as subscript. Okay, this is called subscript and this is superscript. If you write something here as a power, this is superscript, this is subscript. Okay, let's go to example 2. Suppose if we'll write 321 and its base is 10, the computer will converted 321 to binary digit, means see 101000001 and base 2. See, you have to just find out the LCM. Okay, understood or not? See, this also from MSD to LSD, the digit are written like this, 101, then 0000001. See, 101 from bottom to top, not top to bottom. Okay, reminder. Remainder which are obtained in each step are written in reverse order to form the binary equivalent of the decimal. So this one is the example. Both these two examples are conversion of decimal into binary number system. If the question is coming, convert 25 decimal number into binary number, so you have to do like this and find out like this. Okay, next, binary to decimal number system, it's reverse. Okay, if the computer want to show something, okay, how it will represent? So computer will be converted like this and it will show as a decimal number to the user. Let's read. To convert a binary number into decimal number, follow the given steps. What is first step? Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of powers. Okay, powers of 2. 2 means binary, yes or no? Starting from the extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. Sum of all products to get the decimal number. Okay, we will read in the next page. Okay, one more important thing is that you have to read also this facts file. Okay, let's know more. Then facts file and let's also recalls. Okay, you have to read all these things. Okay, next, see, these are the example 1, example 2. These are the conversion of this binary to decimal. Okay, here also binary to decimal. How it can be done? Let's see. Suppose this is your binary number. Obviously the base will be 2, 1 0 1 0. Base 2 means this is a binary number. We can able to know from the base whether the number is decimal or binary. Okay, or anything. Okay, let's start. Okay, here it is written 0 into 2 to the power what? What is written? 2 to the power 0. Okay, 0 into 2 to the power 0. Then 1 into 2 to the power 1. Then 0 into 2 to the power 2. Then 1 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, then 0 means unit, tens, then 100 place, then 1000 place. This is your what? Unit place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay, so it will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so total how many digit? 4 digit. Okay, so here it is written what? 0 into 2 to the power 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1, and 0 into 2 to the power 2, and 1 into 2 to the power 3. Then you have to find out 0 to the power 0 means 2 to the power 0 means 1. 1 into 0 equal to 0, like we are doing in the previous. Okay, 1 into 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. See, 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the how much? 4. 4 into 0, 0. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 1, 8. Okay, so if you add 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 10. So here it is the answer, 10. It is not 1 0. This is called 10. See, the base is 10. So this is read as 10. Okay, not 1 0. Okay, these are binary digit. This is your decimal. Okay, next example 2. See, 1 0 0 1. Here it is base 2. Okay, so see here the unit place is 1. Then 10 place is 0. Then 100 place is 0. Then 1 place what is this? 1000 place. 1000 place is 1. Okay, so what we will do? We will count from here. Okay, 1 into 2 to the power 0, then 0 into 2 to the power, we will increase 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, then we will multiply. So what will be the answer? 9. 9 base 10. You will convert this into this. Okay, now for the biggest number. Now for the biggest number means from it will larger from this number to this. Okay, what? How we will calculate this? Okay, see, here it is 1 1. Okay, then 0 0 0, then 1 0 0 1. Okay, so how many total digits are there? How many digits are there? Total 9. So we will have to calculate 8. See, 8 is written. 8 why 8? Why 8? Means including 0. Yes or no? 0 1 2 up to 8. So total how much? 9 digit. These are 9 digit. Okay, so what we will do? Here we will write this one for this. Okay, and this one for this, and these 3 0 are 0 0 and 0. Then this one for this. Okay, then again 2 0. Here see, again 2 0, this 0 and this 0. Then last one, see 1. And you have to just put what? 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Understood or not? What are the digits? You simply write down all these things and you just multiply. 2 to the power, yes. What are the number of total digit? Okay, excluding 1. Okay, suppose here it is 10 digit, up to what you will write? Up to 9. Suppose here 5 digit, up to what you will write? Up to 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. See here, in a small example you can able to find out how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will calculate up to 3. So here 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have calculated up to 8. Then you have to multiply. 2 to the power 8 means 8 times you have to multiply 2, then 1. So 2 to the power 7 means 7 times you have to multiply 1. Then 2 into 0 means anything you have to multiply with 0, it will be 0. 2 to the power 5 multiply 0, 0. Anything multiply 0, see 1, 2, 3, these are zeros. Okay. Then 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 into 1, 8. Okay, like this we have to calculate. See, this is the answer. Understood or not? In this way we will convert binary to decimal. Okay. In the previous what we have learned? Decimal to binary. Decimal to binary will require LCM, then LSD to MSD or MSD to LSD. MSD to LSD. Okay. Here it is what? We have to multiply. Okay. So then octal number and decimal number. Okay. Like we have read, decimal number system has base 10, binary number system has base 2, like this octal number system has base 8. Okay, then hexadecimal number means 16, it has base 16. Okay, okay, let's read. The octal number system C. Octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is 0 to 7 with the base 8. Okay. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. Okay. The only difference is the change of base. Okay. You have to use the base 8. Same thing. Next, hexadecimal number system. The number system consists of 16 symbol and therefore has a base 16. It uses the decimal number 0 to 9 and includes 6 extra symbol A to F. The number system is also known as hexa, means 6 and decimal equal to 10. So it is called hexadecimal. Okay, after 0 to 9, how many digits are there? 10 digits. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. These are known as 6, means hexa, 6 digit. So 0 to 9, 10 digits, then A to F, 6 digits. Total is 16. Understood or not? So we are reading octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is 0 to 7. with the base 8. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. Okay. The only difference is the change of base. Understood or not? These are same. Okay. Next, hexadecimal number system. The number system consists of 16 symbols and therefore has the base 16. It uses the decimal number 0 to 9 and includes 6 extra symbols, means A to F. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Total 6, then 0 to 9. Okay, so total is 16. This number system is also has hex equal to 6 and decimal equal to 10. So it is called hexadecimal. Okay, next, computer arithmetic. Understood or not? Octal number system and hexadecimal number system. As you know, the decimal number system has base 10, binary number system has base 2, and octal number system has base 8, and hexadecimal number system are base 16. Okay, and digits used are, you have known. Okay, then computer arithmetic. As a computer understands only binary code, therefore the data given by the user is converted into binary code for processing. This processing may involve various kind of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on binary numbers. Okay, next let's start binary addition. Okay, means what is the meaning of that? Computer arithmetic means how the computer will calculate. Okay, as we know, computer is everything is converted into binary digit, means 0 and 1. Yes or no? We'll read how the computer will add. Okay, so binary addition. Let's start. The technique used to add binary number inside the computer is very easy and simple. This is performed in the same way as you perform addition with decimal number. Okay. The following table illustrates the method to add two binary digits. See here, two columns are there, A and B. Here it is written 0 plus 0 equal to 0, means A plus B equal to C. Means 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 equal to 10. Here is the main thing. As we know, in decimal, what? 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, but the computer, there is no 2 is there, only 0 and 1. No 3, 4, 5, even anything. Only the computer understands 0 and 1. Like this, it will calculate. 0 plus 0, you know 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0, 1, then 1 plus 1 equal to 10. This is not 10, this is actually 1 and 0. Understood? Okay, here it is written notes. While adding 1 plus 1, the output will be 10 or 10, where 0 is written under the same column and carry over 1 is shifted to the next place as it happens in the decimal number addition. Yes or no? Next, here are the example how to add binary addition. Okay, suppose you want to add what this number is, what binary or what, or decimal. Of course this is binary because it is base 2. Here it is also base 2, binary plus binary. See, 1 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1, how it will add? 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. Okay, here also next example. Okay, but here it is carryover is there, means suppose 1 plus 1 what, 10 or 0, 1 0, 1 plus 1 10, so 0 here will carry 1 over here. Okay, next 1 plus 1 means what, 10, 10 plus 1 11, means 1 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 what, 10, 10 plus 1 11, so we will carry, so we will keep 1 here and take 1 as a carry. So again 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 0 what, 10, carry, keep 0 and carry 1, 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, so we will keep 1 here, then carry 1 here, then 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 0 10, again 10. Understood? This type of calculation is done in computer. Okay, this is not a normal calculation. This type of calculation done in computer. Next, binary subtraction. So here the rules are given. This is column A, this is column B. See, 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 0 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 equal to 1. Understood or not? Here it is written. See, 10 minus 0, 10 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, because 1 plus 1 equal to what? 10. So 10 minus 1 equal to what? 1 in computer. Okay, don't be confused. 10 minus 1 equal to what? 1. How it is 1? We know 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So 10 minus 1 equal to 1. Understood or not? Okay, these are the examples are there. Okay, you go through all these examples. Example 1, example 2. Okay, see, 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so here it is borrow, how you are borrowing. Okay, so this minus this. Okay, so what we cannot do like this 0 minus 1, yes or no? So we have to borrow from here, from here. If you borrow, what will happen? What? We can able to subtract this. Okay, just see these examples. Okay, and read all these things, then you can able to understand. Okay, next, binary multiplication. Here also same thing. Okay, this is column 1 and column 2. Okay, here the formula is 0 into 0 equal to 0, 0 into 1 equal to 0, 1 into 0 equal to 0, 1 into 1 equal to 1. Okay, so these are the binary multiplication. Okay, so you see the example 1 and example 2. Here it is written 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, then 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Then simply you add it. How you are adding here? Yes or no? Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this, in this way you will add all these things. Okay, next. You just go second example, you can easily understand. Next, binary division. Okay, the method to perform the division of two binary numbers is the same as that of decimal numbers. See the example given below. Okay, here it is written. As we are dividing in decimal, the same thing we will divide here also. See, this is what? Quotient, this is dividend, this is remainder. And where is divisor? Yes, this is your divisor. Okay, so this is your dividend, 110 base 2. This is 10 base 2. Okay, so you have to divide from this to this. So this will be normal division. Means see, 10 ones are 10. Okay, so 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Then we will keep this 0 here. Okay, then it will be 10. Then 10 ones are 10. So remainder will be 10. So what will the answer? 11. So your answer will be here 11 base 2. Okay, like this it will example 2 is written. Okay, so recap what we have learned. The commonly used number system is decimal number system with the base 10. The binary number system consists of 2 digits, that is 0 and 1, and has base 2. You can perform arithmetical operation on binary number. The octal number has the base 8. The hexadecimal number has the base 60. Okay, understood or not? Next, train the brain. Train the brain means these are your exercise. Section A, some hints are given here. You have to answer all the questions. Okay, if you understood the topic properly, then we can easily answer the questions. Okay, next, this is B of that section A, means this is your A, fill in the blank. This is B, state true or false. Okay, the decimal number system, these are, you have to read the questions and you have to write the all answer here. Then application based question, you have to simply think what is written there, then according to this you have to answer it. Then question number B, multiple choice questions. Okay, you have to select the answer. Then B, answer the following. You have to write three or two or three lines. Okay, next up to this. Okay, then some activities are there. Okay, activity section. Perfection through practice. Okay, you have to convert these things. Okay, you just go through the examples what is written in your topic, then you can able to convert all these things. This is convert from binary to decimal, this is binary addition. Okay, next, and more examples are there, more activities are there. Okay, group discussion, project work, then online link. You just go through all these things. Okay, we cannot do practical, but we'll learn lot more things. Okay, because this is Linux based, we don't have any operating system like Linux. Maybe at your home we are all are using Windows based platform. So we when the means school will open, we will do all the practicals. Okay, thank you.